Welcome to Teslahubs DoorGuard Kit Installation Guide. Let's start by applying a protective film to triangular Tesla area. This should be a simple and effective way to protect your Tesla paint. You may have also noticed that the Tesla body has a curved edge with an inward fold. This makes it easier for mud, water, and stones thrown by the tires to hit and damage the car door paint. Especially for black cars, it can result in white spots from paint chips after impacts. Harsh winter environment can damage the paint too, and make the spots even worse. Now, let's protect your car with Teslahubs DoorGuard Kit. You can directly apply this DoorGuard TPU protective film to Tesla onto the car paint surface for protection. Attach a color-changing car cover on top. The application method is straightforward. Spray the water to wet the car surface and the protective film. Then align the edges and stick them on, and then scrape out water and air inside the film to finish sticking it. After installation, it's almost invisible, but it can provide great protection for your paint. You can also cover the car with blacked film to hide damaged spots. After a while, you can easily replace DoorGuard with a new one.